Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Read.Pay virtual card to Apple Wallet in just a few quick steps. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, choose debit or credit card and tap continue. Then select Enter Card Details manually. Now copy your Read.Pay virtual card number from the app and paste or type it into the fields provided. Include the expiration date and security code as well. Once you've entered all the details, tap Next and follow any on-screen prompts to verify your card. And that's it. Your Read.Pay virtual card is now added to Apple Wallet, and you can start using it with Apple Pay right away. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.